There's a lot more people behind you. Hands touching hands, sir. All together. Touching hands. So make sure you stick around. And then you've got the bars and everything that you can stick around with as well, and have a drink, bring you Christmas. And we've got Levi Napper.
We've got live music.
Live music. It's live music. Wow, wow, wow. So, before we get our guests onto the stage to do the 20 seconds, we've got to be very, very tight. As soon as it gets to 0, you need to slam your hands on that button and everybody's going to go crazy for you.
Is anyone else nervous?
11 seconds, are we ready? 10, 9,